So this here is an iPhone X, and as you can see there is no headphone connection. And I'm going to show how to connect a headphone. So we're going to go back to our box we got. Open this up, and it comes with headphones. And then in the back here is this. Look at this. That's a connector for the old headphones. And the headphones it comes with has the lightning connector. Look at that. And that you can probably plug in here. And then you have the sound coming out of the headphones now. So it's special headphones with lightning connector. Or if you have different headphones, then you can use this adapter that's in the box.